Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, I'm the juice, money got me tripping.
Our little segment. This is our vlog. To see Peter. Anyways. Peter, give me you annoy me. So we are 4 hours and 31 minutes away. And it's only 4:45 now. And yeah, so where are we gonna stop? Sunset Chalet.
Sunset Chalet.
Hey, Sunset Chalet. Where are we gonna stop?
Almost killed me.
Is where we're gonna stop at the stop shop. We're gonna, but I said we're gonna stop. And then we're gonna sleep. Then we're going to wake up. Then we're going to continue. Am I lying? So, Yining Kenya. What's wrong?
It's all good, it's all good.
It's all good.
It's all good.
286 to Bloemfontein.
Hey, I was like the least.
I know she's right. You said I must vlog. Now when I'm vlogging, you say you're the playlist. Okay, guys. So this, baby, what is this place called?
Sunset Chalet.
We at Sunset Chalet in Colesberg, Northern Cape, guys. So this is the bed. Like, it's very cute. That's the bed. Yeah. Tea and coffee. That's me. That's baby. Oh, your hair is looking like a Mazarizi. Okay. So that's like the what do you call this thing? Coffee, sugar, you know, there's a kettle. Now there's no load shedding. You know, there's no load shedding. There's no power.
Which is dumb.
So this is like the shower. This place is $9.50, by the way. That's the shower. Obviously, that's the basin, and the toilet is right there. They give you towels and all of that. There's a mirror over here. No smoking. You don't even smoke. What are you eyeing? That's the TV, and yeah, guys, it's just like a cute little room, man. It's nothing deep, nothing tense, nothing hectic. Why are you looking outside people's windows? What did you say?
Yo.
The problem is you don't respect the person I am. Hey, Emani. You make me angry. What if I did this?
No, baby.
Exactly.
You don't want to do it.
Stop it. I don't want to do what?
You don't want to hold it.
You didn't even say, baby, hold my hand. You didn't even do this. No, you didn't. No. Anyway, we stopped at what is this place? You don't even know where we are. Anyways, where? Anyways, yeah. We came to buy ice. My poo.
My poo. Stop it. Get some help.
I'm kidding. My poo. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
You're mid holding your head like this now.
I'm just kidding.
Were you mid holding your head?
I said I'm kidding.
No, but I'm asking you when you were.
No, I wasn't. Anyways, we stopped at Ultra City. Is it Ultra City? Kijk Shell Garage. You know, Jogo Kids, Ultra City. Did it Shell Garage? Kijk Shell Garage. It's like here. Guys, let me tell you. This boy, let me tell you what he did. Baby, can I just... Let me not argue with you. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. I won't argue with you. It's Gucci. Anyways, so we stopped at Shell Garage so I can pee and he can also use the bathroom. And then we bought ice as well. And so we're gonna get ice cream because he says he wants ice cream. Oh my gosh, I want to take off when I take off my mask. But this is not how you exit. You exit that way.
Yeah, but I'm going to the garage. I'm going.
The arrow says. What does the arrow say? No.
What?
Anyways, there.
Go on.
The thing about this person, he doesn't listen. He really doesn't listen. He feels like he's the boy. So, yo, he's getting gas. I'm getting ice cream. And, yo, he's getting Steer's ice cream. So, why would you Ryan?
Hello.
She's actually the Kirega ice cream. Okay.
The Queens.
It's 820 Honda.
Hold on. Do I want one? Do I?
Okay, I can't see. And now, when I'm school, your mom and I always tell you to stop putting your mask like this. You won't listen. And your earring is in my bag.
Still from May.
Baby, you said I must keep it in here.
9,000.
Who put 9,000 rand gas? This person is going to America.
Boy, if you don't
I just want to get ice cream. If we're not Udi set how about the ice cream? Ha, kitty candy. And I don't eat mine.
Oh. Do I want?
Baby, you want one.
Hmm?
You want one. Trust me.
Do one.
Hey, I'm
Give me a vanilla one.
What do you mean a vanilla one? You tell me that Steers has a chocolate ice cream machine.
I do.
No, they don't. They really don't. Guys, no, they dip it into the chocolate thing. The ice cream machine does not produce.
How many kilometers do we have left? Can you please
chocolate?
Vlogger.
Yeah, well, let's get the other way
Do you
around.
know how many kilometers we have left?
500.
Can you please pause so I can check how many kilometers we have left?
I can pour. Pour what?
Pause so I can check how many kilometers we have left.
Use your thing. Let me connect. I'm kidding.
All I wanna do is in the bitches on replay. Sit right next to you.
pate.
What's on the chicken? Yeah. This is the Simpson luxury apartment.
Apparently this Burger King does not look like a Burger King, but anyways. Now guys, I'm in Europe, and about y'all.
Yeah.
They even have things to charge your phone. No, what's phone?
And
I was seeing now. And then you don't have money. Then you're gonna go back to Zwansbeck. You're gonna go back to Zwansbeck because you can't be.
Watch her go crazy. That's nice, man. You can't even speak. Babies are nice. Look at my coffee. It's yours, babes. Here.
Listen, I've been hungry since. Don't stress me, please, please, please. Not with my bigger baby. Yeah.
Sure. Come here, boys.
You think you're funny, yeah? What's that? You don't think you're funny?
What?
When you open your burger. What do you mean? You took all half of the bite.
No, I took a tomato. That's what's wrong.
It's fine. I don't eat tomatoes anyways.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby.
Should you go there? Should you walk there with the car?
I can come with the car like.
Tricky. Let's just go there quickly. Oh, this is so pretty. I have to get back Cape Town. Even the way you're walking like you have, you have a house here.
Yeah, look how straight. Go on. Oh, damn. What's up, guys? We're here in
It's
shit.
really pretty.
Look at the house, it's crazy. Look at the music.
Bye, have a great time.
Our life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, I'm the juice, money got me tripping. Hey, and you.